Hi, this video will show you how to install the AWIC timeline, the modules that we able to browse a JSON file and be able to upload to a Drupal to show the timeline page. So first I'm going to show you, this is a fresh new Drupal page, and I'm going to show you how to install the AWIC timeline. So we are going to go to modules, and then so we're going to do the install the new module. Browse to the location where I have my file. Which is AWIC timeline. Install it. Enable. Alright, so we are going to go to the scroll down and make sure we enable it from here and save the configuration. So the next step, we are going to prepare the JSON file. So I have JSON file in the JSON folder here. Alright, so I'm going to copy the path and now come back to run the cron. So after you install the modules, you enable the modules, now you need to run the cron here. And after that, we go to the configuration. Right, so I need to install the updates. Okay, so that should be okay. So now we go to structure, since the cron is already finished running. Go to blocks. So we scrolling down, we should see a AWIC timeline here. Go to content, configured, we're going to name this as AWIC. Okay, web timeline is the type. We can set the width and the height of the timeline. So this is where you're going to need to browse to your JSON. And this is, we can select all the pages or only the page to show here. By providing the list of all the pages here, or if you want to show just one page, just provide that page. So the page is going to specify by this is the page. Now we don't have different pages, so I'll show you how to do that. Now let's see, now we're going to come back to set the content on the bar tick using default theme, anonymous, authenticated administrator. And also upload the JSON file. Make sure we need to click the upload button. Okay, so let's save the block. Alright, so let's go to home page and see if we can see the timeline showing up. And there you go. Now I just added the About Us page. So if I click on the About Us, it's going to show on About Us page 2 the timeline, since the configuration said show all the pages. So now we need to change this configurations. Go back to the structure, blocks, and we're scrolling down to AWIC timeline configured. So we're going to say only the listed pages. So now we're going to set, so I'm typing note/1 to refer to the one on About Us page. So if you look at the About Us, the setting, it is actually note/1. So that is the reason why I'm putting note/1 to show on that page. Like for example, if I now just go back to home page, and we're not going to see timeline there, and this is About Us timeline showing on note/1, and how to identify the note/. We can look at, like for example, I'm adding a new content as a basic page, and let's say this is going to be contact us page. Or let me rename to timeline page. So the menu link is going to be timeline, and timeline as the URL alias. Save the page. Alright, so now we click edit, we see note/2 here. So now I'm going to make timeline to show on note/2 instead of note/1, so just say note/2. So that's how we identify the page. So like it just stated, it depends on if you put on the blog, so you can just do blog/ and identify the page, or you can use the wildcard, this asterisk, if you want to show on all the pages under blog. Right, this is under node. So now we're gonna go to home and check if it's coming on the bus. The timeline should not show on the timeline. It should show on that page since we make it to show this page, on this page only. Alright, so I think what we going to do next, we working on the 508 compliance here. So if you have questions, concerns, please send me an email. Thank you.